Today we're going to assemble a bicycle that we ordered online from SixThreeZero, and the model of the bike is called Pave and Trail. And hopefully when we're done with the assembly, the bike looks something close to this. Comes in this box. You can see that the bike is completely fastened together when it comes out of the box. We need to take off all of these parts, hence the scissors. I'm going to say that this bicycle is very well packed. We have to spin the forks so that the brakes are pointing forward. And we're going to hold up the handlebars and spin the brakes to the front, like so. The directions assume that the handlebars are already in place, so you're going to have to put those on first. Next step is we're going to go ahead and get the wheel on here, the front wheel. And because it's going to be a little tight here, we're going to undo this brake very easily. We'll roll that in place.
Just slip that thing in a little, there's a little notch.
Yep.
There you go.
We're going to get the seat post put in here. Align the fender struts with the eyelet points in the front so that the fender tab is pointing upwards. Slide the fender up through the back of the front. Yeah, because it says we're going to need 2 washers, a nut, and a long bolt pre-installed. Oh, it says pre-installed.
It's not long.
That's not a long bolt, is it?
Nope.
So far the project's been great. Pretty smooth, pretty easy. We got ourselves a hiccup. This fender attaches here using a long bolt, a washer, and a nut. But they only gave us a short. Actually, this one looks like it was broken. Does that look broken to you? So this bolt isn't long enough to go through here. It's very short. So we're gonna have to find one that'll fit. They didn't give us an extra one in the box, so we'll just see what we have in the garage. Alright, I found these parts in my toolbox. Now we can get this thing put together.
Hold that nice and slow.
We made one mistake here, which they tell us to look out for in the very beginning, which is this cable. So we're going to take the handlebars back off. We're going to spin this around one more time. Right? So the forks would go this way, or would they go?
I don't think either way we turn it, it's not going to correct it. Oh no, that'll work.
Here's a little cover that goes right here. All right, it's time to get our seat on.
So can you explain? So you're going to want the long one on the inside.
What long one?
This one, and the short one on the outside.
What short one?
Long one on the inside.
Oh, these are long and short? I don't
Yep,
see a difference.
long, short.
Yeah, but the bike will give you the angle.
Well, once,
See what I'm saying?
yeah. Is she like that, or is she gonna line?
Yep, like that.
Like this? Alright.
Probably down a smidge. Level, yep, that's good.
Now we're going to want to tighten it. So now I need stuff
to. The pedals are marked left and right, so make sure you put them on the right side. Caution. Turn the pedal counterclockwise to install. I have to go counterclockwise with this.
I'm going clockwise on this side. And I'm far enough in that I need to use the wrench.
When you're putting on this back fender, you'll see the support comes here, and there's an option to attach it to the top or down here. We believe that it needs to be attached down here, so we're going to take this off, attach it here. That way we can put our rack on and attach our rack right there. Tell you, this bike from 360 was a pretty simple bike to put together. It looks nice, it goes together easily, the packaging was absolutely perfect. There's not a flaw on this bike from the packaging. They did a very nice job with that, and you saw how quickly we put it together. I mean, literally everything, most of the bike was already assembled out of the package. All we had to do is go through and put the seat on and attach the handlebars and put the fenders on in the bike rack and the pedals, which sounds like a lot, but it really was really easy to do. If we can do it, you can do it too. All right, thanks for watching. We appreciate having you, and we'll see you next time on Jibo's Garage Channel. Oh, I don't have any problem talking to the camera. Let me guess, I didn't turn the camera on. I just don't know what to say. I don't want to get into all that. I don't want to get into all that. Let me just make it short and sweet. There we go. Oh, the chain's not on?